Hello everyone, I'm Barney and I work on the trade counter at Fast Key Services, and in this video we're going to show you how to remove office furniture and locker locks that are held in with a horseshoe clip. Okay, so this is the lock that we're going to be working on for this particular version. We are going to need a couple of things however, so we're going to need either a working key or a master key, a flathead screwdriver, and in this particular lock we're going to need a spanner as well. So, let's come over. So, first of all we need to get the lock open, and I'm going to put that back into the lock position as well and take the key out. We don't really need the key at this point. So the next thing we need to do is to remove the cam. So in this case we will need a spanner, but it can vary depending on what lock is used. You probably only need a Phillips screwdriver as well. So let's take that off now. And once you've loosened it, you can just undo the rest of it by hand. And now be sure to retain any nuts, washers and the cam as well so you don't lose any bits. So let's put that to the side. Now we can remove the actual lock body itself. So for this we'll need our flathead screwdriver. Now usually you get the screwdriver in between here and then pry the lock up slowly, but because we haven't got enough room here, there is another slot just here. So we can get our screwdriver in that, very carefully pry it up, then you can get underneath the other bit as well, take the horseshoe out, and then the lock removes like so. And that is how you remove an office furniture lock or locker lock that's held in with a horseshoe clip. I really hope you found this all very useful. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to click subscribe down there and click on the bell icon right next to it to be notified whenever we upload a new video. With that said, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.